wiggle excitedly on her nest. She could hear a tapping noise. Tap, 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 tap. Quick, quack, quick. Mommy Duck called the other ducks. My eggs are hatching. Come and see. One by one, the eggs hatched. Hatch means when they open up. And out popped 6 chirpy little ducklings. Chip, 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 chip. Ah, the other ducks sighed. What sweet little ducklings. Mommy Duck beamed and cried.
What's in that egg?
Well, let's find out. But the biggest egg of all still hadn't opened. Mommy Duck was sure she had only laid 6 eggs. Ah, that's a surprise. Just then, the final egg burst open. Oh, gasped Mommy Duck. The last duckling wasn't little, yellow, or cute.
He's cute.
He was enormous, gray, and, well, ugly. What an ugly duckling, quacked the old duck. He's not ugly, said Mommy Duck protectively. He is special. He is special.
Those are cows.
I know, honey. So here we go. The next day, Mommy Duck took all her little ducks to the farmyard to meet the other animals. The 6 yellow ducklings proudly puffed out their pretty feathers. Ah, sighed the animals, what lovely ducklings. The ugly duckling waddled forward. Hello, he said quietly. Everyone turned to stare at him. Make sure it doesn't go away. This, honey. Yeah. I'll put it in my pocket. Okay, come on. Let's continue on. I'm interested to see what's going to happen. He's so gray. Named the horse. He's so clumsy. Moo, the cow.
Moo, the cow.
He's so big, squawked the hen. That's how they do. So here, oh, large teardrops rolled down the ugly duckling's long black beak. He felt all alone. Nobody wants me, he whispered. I'd be better off swimming away. The poor little duckling waddled sadly across the meadows, leaving the farm and his family far behind. Oh my goodness, so sad. Oh. Soon the ugly duckling came to a river where some geese were diving for food. Excuse me, the little ugly duckling began bravely. Have you seen any ducklings like me? No, you are the strangest looking duckling we've ever seen, the geese honked. That's what the geese honked. So the ugly duckling kept waddling. He was getting very tired. As darkness fell, he crept inside an old barn, looking for a place to rest.
That's a little kitty cat.
Can you lay eggs? Clucked a hen. No, said the ugly duckling sadly. May I stay here? He asked the animals inside. Can you catch mice? Purred the cat. I don't think so, said the ugly duckling. Then you are no use You are no use here, the cat hissed. Shh. The ugly duckling quickly waddled away. He kept going until he came to a large lake. If nobody wants me, then I'll just hide here forever, he sniffed sadly. Ribbit, ribbit, croaked a frog. What a funny looking duckling. My goodness gracious. Fall came and the leaves turned gold. One evening, just as the sun was setting, the ugly duckling saw a flock of beautiful white birds flying gracefully across the sky. I wish I looked like them, he sighed. All through the long winter, the ugly duckling hid in the reeds, ashamed to show his face. When the first rays of warm spring sunshine arrived, the ugly duckling peered out of his hiding place. A graceful swan paddled by him, and he backed away, afraid he would be teased. But the ugly duckling surprised. The swan swam up to him. "Why are you hiding there?" asked the swan kindly. "Join the rest of us." The ugly duckling was shocked. Surely, the swan must be talking to someone else. But then he caught sight of his reflection in the lake. He stared and gasped in amazement. His gray feathers were now snowy white. "I am a swan!" the ugly duckling cried happily. Just then, a family of 6 young ducks waddled along the riverbank with their mother. "Look at that beautiful swan," they called. Mommy Duck recognized her little ugly duckling at once. "I always knew he was special," she quaked. The ugly duckling ruffled his beautiful white feathers, turned away, and proudly paddled after his new friend. Do you like it?
Beautiful story.
Isn't it a beautiful story?
Yes.
Very good. Thank you, Mimi,
Oh, you're
for
welcome.
reading.